All right, we're here with Murrad. Murrad, what are you working on this morning?
So today I'm working on building and calibrating a core plugging robot. So this application, this robot will be picking up cores, which is like a round cork with a hole in the middle. It'll find the hole in these large massive rolls and install the cork and hammer it into place. It does that on both sides of the roll. These rolls are over 500 to 2,000 some pounds that man cannot lift on their own. So we use a large heavy duty R2000 to be able to do all the coring. So this has a lot of different features, advanced motion along with IR vision, and then a whole lot of pneumatics to pound these cores in.
Great, man. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.